Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of logout on the application of Hacoo. We click on settings, then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find Hacoo app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.